We're still in Toronto. Hi, Zia Nick. What are we making now?
Pizzellis.
Pizzelle. Oh, look, this is the machine.
Pizzelle maker.
Okay, are you gonna make? I like it how you make it a little bit thick.
Yes. Don't worry.
Okay.
I'll make it thick.
Oh, this is our
6
recipe.
eggs.
6 eggs. Okay.
A teaspoon of salt.
Salt.
Sugar.
Sugar.
They asked for a cup of sugar,
Yeah.
but I put a little bit less.
Let me see her
I put less than a cup.
Pizzelle recipe. Okay, we got
Baking powder.
baking powder.
I usually don't put grated lemon. I put a little bit today.
Okay, she already put a little bit of grated lemon.
But I don't put.
Okay.
Tablespoon of vanilla.
Vanilla
extract,
extract. Okay.
and then 1.5 cup of flour. That's it.
Okay, where's your flour? Over there.
And right here.
Okay. Got it.
You got it?
Yeah, this is a favorite.
Yeah.
This is a classic Italian cookie, guys. Zia Nick likes to do her cooking in the basement. This is her basement. Last time she did cookies when I was here, the almond cookies. It was upstairs in her kitchen. Now, usually Italians in Woodbridge like to go down in their basement in the summertime because it's a lot cooler down here. So the first thing is heating this up, right? Oh no,
So I put everything, I just beat this up a little bit.
there's eggs and lemon here.
It's just the eggs in here. Very, very little I put because my grandkids don't like it.
What speed is that on?
Low.
Low speed, okay.
Okay? Then I throw my oil in here.
Is that vegetable oil or olive oil?
Mazola oil.
Can you use olive oil if you want to because it's healthier? Okay.
No.
Don't use olive oil?
No.
It's too thick? Okay, just
Too
use...
thick. Okay, so I'm going to put a teaspoon of this.
You're using measuring spoons. Good.
That I have to. I'll throw my salt. Okay. Sugar.
That's sugar? Okay.
Yeah.
What's that?
Oil. So
Oil again? Okay.
I'll show you. Then I do a little bit of...
A little bit at a time?
Yeah, I like to do it a little bit at a time. I add a little bit of baking powder.
What speed are you on?
Low, medium.
Medium now. Okay. Does it matter the speed?
No.
Okay.
Plug this in.
Oh, you have... Okay, so plug. Here, I'll plug it in for you. Plug in the machine. Here we go. Oh, this is Cuisinart. Cuisinart makes one?
Yeah.
Oh, I did not know that. Cuisinart. Pizzelle. I want to see the consistency of this with the spoon so I know.
Want the spoon?
Yeah. When it's done.
Yeah, it's done.
Oh, it's done?
Yeah.
So let me see again how you know. Okay.
It's like when you make pancakes. Sometimes the eggs, you know, maybe you have to add a little bit more flour because of the egg, the size of the egg.
So let's see here. Oh yeah, it is like a little...
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Like pancake mix, you're right.
Yeah. But my grandkids like them soft.
Yeah, and I like them a little bit thicker too. She makes it a little bit thicker. You make them, or you can make them thin or thicker. Which way are you going to do it?
I'm going to do it thick.
Thick,
like
good.
I always do it. So I put paper towel here. And I get more paper towel. And I cover them when I finish cooking them.
Okay.
Okay?
And for extras, do you put in the freezer too?
Yeah.
Oh, you can freeze them too.
You can freeze anything. So what I do,
Yeah.
so they don't stick,
Oh.
put a little bit of oil here.
Yeah, I like oil better than butter. I don't like the taste of butter. Good.
Never use oil.
You never use butter, okay.
No, I never use butter.
So you put it there for...
So it won't get stick.
Oh, so it won't stick.
Very simple, very easy. Oh. So what happens with this, okay?
Yeah.
You close it like this. And don't close it all the way so they come nice and high.
Oh, that's how you avoid it coming thin.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want it thinner, you make it, you press it down.
You push it all the way down.
You push it all the way
I'll make
down.
something like that.
Okay, make some of that, but I don't like them that thin. So she's gonna make it thick the way I like it.
See, I put too much, it's gonna get overfloated.
Oh, and then what do? You just cut it off?
Yeah.
Oh. So easy.
Yeah. It's okay.
And here too.
Next time I'm not gonna
Put as much.
too much.
So if that happens to you, just do that.
Yeah.
How long do you think you have to keep it closed for?
The machine will tell you
Oh, it does?
when it goes back to green.
Oh, that's when you know it's
Yeah,
ready. This is
yeah.
great. This is Cuisinart, guys. Do all the Pizzelle makers do that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
See? Turn.
To green, it did.
green.
Wow, that means it's ready.
So it's ready to go.
Oh, wow. And then oh, like this. Oh, yummy.
I go like
And
that.
you cover it. Yummy.
I do a very good job here.
It's okay, the next one. This is just for starters.
Yeah.
Where's your forks and knives over here?
Over here.
In the drawer. My mom used the drawer.
Here's the second ones.
I'm not gonna put that much.
Okay.
Go get napkins. You need a spoon for your thing then, or do you have one? Yeah, we'll use the one from the front.
So it's green right now.
Yeah, then it's gonna go to red and then go back to
Okay.
goes back to
Cindy, whatever you,
yeah. There I have paper plates.
whatever you want, Cindy.
See, it's still on green.
Yeah, yeah.
And why? There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's the darkness of it.
The darkness. Okay, here it went red. It just switched. It went to red. So it's, when it turns to green again, it means
Ready to go.
it's ready to go. And she has it on level 4. It's green, Zia.
Was it green? It turned. It was red.
It was red, yes, and it turned green.
Okay.
Oh yeah, pretty. Can you do a thin one for us now?
Yeah, these are pretty thin.
I know, but make it
They don't last that
do it the original so they know. This is the thicker way where you don't press it all the way down, and
Yeah,
then
you
the
have to
thin
go-
way to do it. I'll put more oil on it.
Just close it all the way.
Oh, you caught so you snap it closed
Oh,
like
shit.
that.
Look what happened.
Ooh, it's
It's funny this time. It's very, very funny. Never happens to me before.
okay.
I'm gonna add a little bit more flour.
so if it's droopy like that, it means that you need more flour.
Yeah,
Okay. See you.
make it thicker.
Yeah. You adjust as you go, and it's okay
No,
to
usually
adjust.
I know I don't have to. It's no problem with me. I don't know why this time, because the eggs
what?
the eggs were a little bit bigger.
Okay. So that's how you make adjustments.
Okay, that's good enough.
Okay, we're gonna make a thin one now. We got thick one, now we're gonna do a thin one. $12.54. So when you snap it closed, it makes it thinner.
Yeah.
Oh, Zia, just turn green.
Okay.
Look how beautiful that one is.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Look. Flip it over here.
I'm gonna start.
That took about a minute. 1:56. About
Are you gonna make them darker and harder?
Okay, here we go. Let's just see how much she has. Wow. See, I like the thickness of it. You
I
see how
know.
this one's thick?
I know. That's why.
Yeah. Or you can make it the thin way that we did before. But we prefer it this way. What is this called?
Icing sugar.
Icing sugar.
You want it?
Or sugar powder. Look, she brought sandwiches for us. California sandwiches. We're in Toronto, but we came all the way to Canada to get California sandwiches. This is so funny. They have the best veal sandwiches here.
That's so funny.
Yeah, they don't have this store in California. You know that.
No, I know.
This is my favorite, ketchup chips. They don't have this in America. You can only get it in Canada. Maybe we'll have some with our sandwiches. You guys, I got the ketchup chips to go with our sandwiches. Oh, look how beautiful it is here. Daniela's here. Frank. We got Cindy. We're gonna eat our veal sandwiches, and for dessert, we're gonna have pizzelle. Here, I got the pizzelles for you.
Here, put them here. She put the little icing on it today. Oh, they're warm. What?
What do you think, Cindy?
Yep, these are good. Are they soft? Yeah. No, crunch, you know. I like them soft. I like them.
What do you think, Daniela? You like them?
A1, delicious.
They came out good, they said.
You're welcome.
Here we go. Now it's my turn.
Some of the
Where's my coffee?
Cheers.
Where's my Tim Hortons?
You want a coffee?
Where's my Tim Hortons?
Oh, yeah.
I know.
You want another
Next
coffee?
time.